Today we will talk about motivation. Motivation for success in 2026, but in a calm way. No noise, no pressure. That already feels different. Many people are tired of loud motivation. If you feel tired, this lesson is for you. Success does not always come from pushing harder. So, where does success come from? Often it comes from understanding yourself, from knowing what really matters to you. Strong motivation doesn't last long, but calm motivation stays longer. It becomes part of daily life. Motivation is not something we wait for. It is something we build slowly, like a habit. Many people think motivation means excitement, but excitement comes and goes. Commitment stays. This is very similar to learning English. You don't need to feel excited every day. You only need to continue. This removes pressure. Pressure often blocks learning. When we feel relaxed, we grow better. So, how can we protect motivation every day? First, lower the pressure. Instead of asking, "Did I do enough today?" That question feels kinder. Kind questions help motivation stay. Harsh questions push it away. Many learners are very hard on themselves, but fear blocks progress. Kindness builds confidence. Some days motivation feels low. That is normal. Everyone has those days. On those days, the goal is not progress. The goal is not stopping. Even a small action is enough. Small actions keep motivation alive. Now think about success in 2026. What does success really mean? For many people, success means feeling steady, not rushed, not always worried. Success is not only money or big results. Peace of mind matters too. Let me share a short story, a quiet one. There was a person who wanted success. Not fame, not perfection, just a calm and steady life. Some days motivation was strong. Some days it was weak. Instead of pushing harder, they slowed down. They didn't quit, they continued slowly. Over time, motivation changed. It became quiet but steady, and that made success possible. If you are listening now, this message is for you. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need strong motivation every day. Small steps are enough. Quiet progress is real progress. You are not behind. Your next step doesn't need to be big. It only needs to be kind. Thank you for listening. See you next time on English Ease Daily.